In this demonstration, I will use Google Gemini to help with designing a workshop about academic writing skills and critical thinking. Firstly, I ask, create a 1-hour workshop outline on academic writing skills for university students, focusing on critical thinking. As we can see, Gemini has made some suggestions. For example, an icebreaker and an outline of suggested timings and activities. To accompany the workshop, I would like some supporting materials. I could ask for some suggestions to get me started. Using the prompt, create 3 example slides for a workshop on academic writing skills, focusing on structuring arguments, evaluating sources, and identifying assumptions. As we can see, Gemini has made some suggestions, including a visual pyramid, some suggestions how to evaluate sources, and questions students could consider. Thinking about what students can take away with them after the workshop, I ask, can you suggest content for a handout based on this? Gemini has suggested a series of bullet points and tips, examples, key takeaways, and suggested sources for further reading. As we can see, this is a good starting point. All content should be reviewed and adapted to suit. AI tools are good at making suggestions and ideal to be used as an assistant in this way.